The Fazil 4000PSI electric pressure washer is a powerful cleaning tool equipped with a robust 650-watt motor that can generate up to 4,000 pounds per square inch and 1.8 gallons per minute. This high-power washer machine comes with 4 quick-connect spray nozzles and a detergent tank, providing a versatile cleaning solution for various surfaces, like cars, decks, driveways, and patios. One of the standout features of this pressure washer is its professional metal garden hose connector and superior metal water outlet, which ensure leak-proof connections. The compact and upright design of this electric pressure washer, coupled with axle-mounted wheels, offers easy mobility and efficient pressure washing. Adding to its safety features, the Fazil 4000PSI electric pressure washer comes with an automatic total stop system that shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged and a safety child lock design to prevent misuse. Despite its robust features and high performance, the pressure washer is priced reasonably at $115.99, offering great value for money.